Hey, to get the additional watch faces on your Huawei Band 9, all you have to do is just to grab your smartphone and move into the Huawei Health application. Then you have to go into the watch faces. And as you can see from this, we can find the different type of the watch faces. At the top, we can find also the recommendation. But you can go into the free, so you'll actually find the best free watch faces that you can quickly apply on your watch. So let's say that I want to get, for example, maybe I want to get this one. So I have to just click on it, and then at the bottom I have to click on the install button. And now it's downloading. Now when the download is finished, it's actually installing. So here we can follow this process, and after it hits the 100%, you will find the new watch face on your Huawei Band 9. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.